Hey, what's up, guys? Today I've come up with a new strategy on how to make money online. Today we're going to be using a free tool which is going to get earn us close to $3,000 per month. If you stick to me to the end of the video, I'm going to show you a tool that is going to make you earn that same amount, $3,000 or even more, depending on how good you are, persistent you are. So today I'm going to be using the website called Free PLR Download. These PLR downloads give us free license for us to download any ebooks online. They have a lot of ebooks here, so you can pick any category or niche you're interested in. But today, we're interested in Amazon, so you just go ahead and click on Amazon. So when you search on Amazon, there are only two ebooks that you can download. So let us click on this. So once you're on this page, what you just need to do is you want to download the ebook because I'm going to be using the ebook. So once the ebook is downloaded, you just come over here, click on it, you open the ebook, you can see it, PDF. So you can see. So the next step I'm going to do is to convert this PDF into Word, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So all you just need to do now is now you're going to use another site which is called PDF Pro. This PDF Pro, it converts PDF into Word. So what you're going to do now is just click to upload your file. Come here, go to your anywhere you downloaded the file. I get mine on my desktop, so I just come here, click on this. So once you are done uploading the file, you come over here, click on this arrow, then you see convert to Word. Then you come up, convert PDF to Word. Once it's done converting, then you come here on this same arrow, then download it. Download file. So once you've downloaded the file, come to the file. So now you can edit the file yourself. So you can edit it yourself. So what we are going to do, you can, if you feel like changing the fonts, anything, you can do that yourself. But what exactly I want to show you guys here is this. This is going to be the next step. So now I'm going to go back to this. So the next step is that I'm going to, there's a particular site I'm going to use to sell these books. But for that, let me show you guys something. Okay, the name of the site I'm going to use to sell this book is Selix.com. Selix.com, they sell Amazon products for them. Everything you need to succeed on Amazon SEO, the research keywords, improve rankings, improve your ACOS and maximum your sales. They help them to do anything concerning Amazon. They do it for you. It's a paid site, but like I said, you're not going to pay anything. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do now. You're going to be going over to sellix.com/affiliate program. So this is what I have to be using. When you come here, all you just have to do is reach out for Amazon sellers, vendors, and agencies, and they'll pay you a certain amount. Let's say the commission, 100% commission. Wow, I've not seen any affiliate program that gives 100% commission on the first month of every new customer you refer, addition of 5%, 50% commission for annual contract on top of that. Wow, this site is wonderful. Let's see more about it. Okay, they only receive PayPal as payment method, which is very easy for you to set up PayPal. Just go to Google PayPal, then sign up your PayPal account. So you can see, wow, this site is a very good site. So all you just need to do now is to come here, click on become affiliate. So all you have to do now is put your name, your first name, your last name, your email address, your entity type, your if you have a website, or your name or your company name. Same thing, social media, your mailing address, every additional information. If you are referred, use a referral code. So once you are done with this, you'll be given the submit application. They will be giving the affiliate link which you are going to be using. So once you get affiliate link, for example, maybe this is my affiliate link. Let me just copy here, copy this. Then we'll go back to that file we downloaded, converted to Word. Then maybe can just come somewhere in the middle of the text. Just come here. You can put get 40% revenue. Then you can just come down. Then you can paste your link. So obviously people that read your ebooks are interested in growing their Amazon business. So when they see this kind of promotion, get 40% revenue, you also want to click on it. So this is going to be your link, your affiliate link, which gets commission for each people you bring. And don't forget, you only need 10 people for you to get $3,000. So I'm going to show you how you're going to get traffic to your link. It's a very easy step. So you can also do it for different places. You can post it here to just copy and paste all around the ebook so that people can just see it and you click on it. So the next step I'm going to show you where you can use to get traffic. The one that I know that is free, you can just come over to Facebook, then you search for Amazon. So let's come to Amazon sellers. Then you can come to groups. You can see there are thousands of groups. There are thousands of groups that you can just join. So you can just create something, a text or a sentence. They're going to be persuasive for people to, because obviously people that are here are looking for a way to promote their product on Amazon. So once you give them such solution, and there are thousands of people in the group, so once they download your ebook or get your ebook, you will read it, they will see the link, they will be persuaded to click on the link because they want to promote their product on Amazon. So with that link, they will go to the site, which you get 100% commission. And don't forget, you only need 10 people from each group. That's $30,000, and you know there are thousands of people inside the group, so you're going to get more money by doing that. So, but if you feel you can't go through the stress of joining group, then creating something that is persuasive for people to check out your ebook, you can just come over. There's a tool I'm going to show you guys. This tool is used, a lot of people use the tool to promote anything. You can just come over here to watch the videos so you can understand more. They promote their affiliate link, anything you want to promote. Is obviously it's not free though. You can see the sales dashboard. You can see approved. A lot of people use it. A lot of business people. You can see multi-millionaires such as Russell Boston, Tony Robbins, and Frank Ken. You can see they use the sites to promote anything they wish to promote. Obviously, it's not free. So, as at now, it's $28. You have to pay for it. So, they help you with traffic, they do everything you need. All you just have to do is drop your link and they do other things you do by yourself. You can just check it out. So it was $297. Now it's $28. If you have a coupon, you can use your coupon. So it's very easy step. So that's how you get $3,000 plus for just doing some setting up something for it could take you up to an hour to set it up. Following the steps, if you follow my steps, it's very easy for you. And you can create more ebooks, different things, then do the same way and get money every end of every month. You can use for shopping or other things. So if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, leave a comment. I will reply you once I see your comments. So that's all. That was all for today. Have a nice day.